Welcome. If you want to enable parental controls on Amazon Fire TV Stick Max, at first you have to go for the right corner to reach the settings icon. And right now we have to go for the account and the profile settings. In this place we have to scroll to the parental controls. Click OK to turn it on. Right now we have to set up our PIN code. So in my case it will be very common. I'm gonna set up 5 times 1. And right now, as you can see, we are here with the few options. So at the first, we can, for example, change the viewing restrictions. So here we can find major, young adults, teen, family, and the general. If you want to, for example, block the mature content, you have to simply click OK. And right now, if someone try to watch, the rating 18 plus, you'll be supposed to input this PIN code. We can also log, for example, the young adults. So it's 15 and 16 plus. Right now we can go back. We can also protect app launches. So we can turn it on or turn it off. The same if you want to buy something from the App Store. And the last option, you can change the PIN code. So at the first you have to input your currently PIN code, and then you can change it for any other, like for example we can set 2, 2, 0, 0 and 3. And we have to repeat with the same one, and as you can see, that's all. Right now I'm gonna change the PIN for this very common. And that's how you can use the parental controls on the Amazon Fire TV Stick. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.